ba yan? Di pa nga ako nakakapag-start. I can't start yet and you want like that? Oh my God. Wait a minute, Snowy. I need to remove my socks. This is the way of your gesture to let me in, okay? And this also, guys. And the other lady. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Pasuklay agad. She want to comb her hair, guys. Long time ago, I didn't make this for Snowy. And this is the first time. Come here, Leo. This is the other guy. Oh. Leo. Turn around, baby. Turn around. Turn around, my dear Snowy. Turn around, so that I can comb your hair. The other one is there. Come here. What are you doing? Don't fight, okay? Behave. Where you go? You're so cute of you. You are too cute. Always like that, okay? Okay, bye-bye. I need to fix myself first because I will start working. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? Say, guys. What are you planning? I'll say around.